Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there? Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors. I'm here in Santa Ana, and we're going to sand and refinish these original hardwood floors that came with the house. So let me turn this thing around, show you guys what we got going on. All right. So this is one of those where we're going to do half of the house and then the other half. But take a look. They had carpet down the floors, so we're going to repair that. See the nice red oak grain. Got a couple boards here that we're going to change out. Looks like either maple. They got maple flooring in the kitchen, so we're not doing anything there. But you know, as you can see, they changed out a couple of boards themselves. But get all that going right there. We're going to swap all those boards out that are broken. And they want to go with a Jocko beam stain here, so go ahead and show you guys. That's what we're looking at today. So there, we're going to go ahead and repair that area, get everything nice, looking real nice. Kicked over a bunch of screws. Okay, we're going to sand all this and stain it to be the Jocko beam color. So I'll do a video update in a little bit, and you can more or less see what it looks like in a couple of hours. But yeah, a lot of wear and tear on this floor, but hey, this wood is still good. It's going to look like a brand new floor once it's all said and done. So turn this thing back around. All right, so everybody have a good day. Take care. Make it a great Tuesday, and we'll see you guys soon. I'll do a video update in a couple hours, and we'll see how it looks like from there. All right, everybody take care. Have a good one.